that sound? Y'all know we ain't playing no games in 2020. You already know what time it is. It is Grail time. Big shout out to the homie Henry. Big shout out to the homie John at Truist. Congrats to him on his newborn and his new adventure. Before I get into this Grail, this pickup, this steal, this deal, go check out the Sis 313 Retro Queen. She's on her way to 1K. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Also check out the bros, PMKICKZ and MCFLYKOF. As they're making their moves to 5K, as well as myself. I'm trying to get to 10K, but enough of that. We're gonna do maybe one small giveaway on the way, maybe 7,500 or 8,000. Also be on the lookout for that merch, because it's coming, it's in the works. Shout out to homie Snooch Custom. If you need custom stuff, he's the person to look for him. I have his description below. Check him out on IG as well. He also has a YouTube page. And check out the bro Money Run Clothing if you're looking for that merch to go with your dope kicks. And like I've been saying, I'm gonna take a little break because I got this camera, got all these lenses. I got a lot of little stuff to do, so I'm gonna be doing inside more than outside, right? Because you get all this outside noise and people chatter in the back. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I can't talk that. Please consider subscribing. If you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. If you like it, you don't. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. I don't take it personal. Constructive criticism is the best way to grow. Now, enough of that talk like 2 minutes, right? Just got trying to build that algorithm up a little bit. I don't know about doing 10-minute videos though, because it seems like to me it's too much talking and not enough talking about the shoes. So this is an OG box here, size 10.5. So y'all already know PP personal pair. You already see it right there. Air Jordan 8 Retro DB. Fisher colorway, hyper blue, electric orange, black. If you already don't know about that colorway, I don't know what to tell you, right? DB, Doernbecher, underprivileged kids, they make different shoes, right? You got different Doernbechers, 3, 4, 5. What is that? The most recent one is 14. I got to get that one again. The one I reviewed was my friend one, so I got to add that to the collection. I'm working on it. Be patient, working on it. So, let's go. The box is ugly, but who cares about the box? It's what's inside. And look at that, look at that, look at that. So beautiful. Look at that. Wow. That's the young man, Caden Lamper right there. As you can see, he hooked it up. Tell you his spiel about his story. God bless the young man. But we're gonna roll with it like this. Oh boy. Look at that. Got the card and everything. Got the Nike receipt. So y'all already know. Bam! Real good slam. Look at that. Woo! Doggy. DSSS on them. Look at that. Yes, sir. Bah. Let's get into this shoe. Like the bunny ears. Look at that. The bottom. Little yellow and not too much. Just a little bit on the edges. But for the year of this shoe, very dope shoe. You like it. So basically the kids do everything what they like. So basketball, you got fire, you got clear. So I'm gonna clean this up. You're gonna clean it up anyway after you get done with it on this toe box. And got a little back booty stroke. See that? Got a little bit on that back booty stroke. CL, his initials. Must be his favorite number. He's like 14. You got the asteroid looking now, right? These are the bunny ears and all of that stuff, how they like to do all for the 8. You don't have your carpet right here. You got your Jordan and you got your nylon materials right here. You got orange hit right here. Coming around on the side, you got rock on, which is very, very dope. Look at that translucent look there. And these are your bunny ears, right? Got Air Jordan. Brave, very, very brave young man. Very, very brave. You got your spackles right here on your lace tips. You got orange and the mini Jumpman coming around on the back. You got your sign. I forgot what the sign stands for. I put it up, but y'all know we got the booty over here to help for your back to help you get it for your sock layer. I don't know why they always put this extra back here, because they normally don't even come that far, right? And then you get here on the media side, you got your fingerprint, and you got Believe, and you got, I think this is a ketchup bottle on the side. Just a very, very dope shoe in my opinion. Then inside you got the radio with the shocker sign. The insole, you got all this stuff going on. Brave. You got 10.5. Production date came out in 2014. So you have 7/9/14 to 9/16/14. A very, very dope shoe in my opinion. I'm so happy to have this shoe in the collection. Now on a little meter, I think this is a very, very dope shoe. So you already know I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. That's right, 5 out of 5 on the little meter. A very, very dope shoe. You leave me a comment, suggestion below. Let me know what you think about this shoe. But I'm so happy to have this Grail in my collection. Again, shout out to the homie Henry O and John at Truist for this dope selection. So like I said, go ahead. We're on the move to 5K, or not 5K, sorry, 10K, stupid. We're on the move to 10K. Go tell a family member, friend. Emoneyshoes. I'm out. Peace.